Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have 7 toys here. All are colorful and all are serially arranged here. Wow. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand. So at first is a army tanker here. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is green and black color combination. And next one is the R17 high speed bike here. So I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here beside this military tanker. This one is red and black color combination R17 high speed bike. And next one is a green company double decker bus here. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this green bus. This one is paste color and black color combination. And there is a dump truck here, so I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this drum truck. This one is red, blue and black color combination. And next one is the army jeep here. Wow, this one is very nice color combination, so I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this army jeep. This one is green, black and white color combination. And next one is a drum truck here. Wow, this one is very big size, so I will hand drive this one. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is white, black and yellow color combination. There is the last one is very big size 911 police helicopter here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this 911 helicopter. This one is white, black and blue color combination. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive and introduced with you. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.